Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And this is a quick update of the Monday's trading, and we are going to analyze the market quickly to find out today's market direction and where can be market goes for next days or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So let's find out our market direction in daily time frame. As you can see, there market just opened tonight and market started to move bearish right now, as you can see there. Okay, this candle is bearish right now, and for daily time frame it is a little bit bearish, and also for H4 market is on bearish movement currently. Okay, and we will find out our path or direction in H1 time frame. And if I especially want to show you, there is a pattern created over here, and this is the flag pattern. Okay, as you can see there is a flag pattern format over there or around the zone or around the area. Okay, so let's draw our trend line zones to find out our path or direction. As you can see there is a trend line zone, and there is another one in the lower section or lower zone. Okay, and I already told you to take a sell entry after the breakout or after retest the market. And if I especially want to draw the flag pattern like that, okay, this is the bearish reversal flag pattern, and where you can take your entry. Okay, market will give us a breakout over there, and the sims is already trying to give us a breakout, not confirmed yet, but it seems breakout going to happen over there. And after the breakout it will give us another pullback, and then we can take our sell entry around this particular area to take sell. Okay, and if you want to take 1:3 risk reward ratio, okay, if you want to keep your SL 50 pips, your TP should be 150 pips. But in H1 time frame, maybe your TP should be around 100 pips, and your SL should be around 100 pips, and TP should be around 300 pips. Okay, this is the current scenario from the market. And if I want to remove all of the drawing, and I want to if I want to think about the scalpers, let's remove all of the drawing. Okay, let's get back for M15 time frame. As you can see there is same thing for M15 time frame, and there is something happened with our last entry, our last sell entry. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, there was a complete breakout, but in that particular area, in that particular area, why you took sell entry? Okay, as you can see there is completely breakout, and it may go up. Okay, and that area called liquidity grab or fake breakout. Okay, you have to understand why market give us fake breakout, or where market can give fake breakout. Okay, you have to understand all that thing. And in that case, market just take liquidity. That means most of sellers sell was above this trend line, and they just take this liquidity and give us profit. That means they take money from every seller and give FX Billionaire Hub members and others. Okay, this is the thing, or this is the theory. So for 15-minute time frame, as you can see there, from my point of view, it may go a little bit down more, and then it will give us pullback for H1 time frame. Then we will take another sell entry. Okay, and till now there is no news, no major minor news right now. So my point of view, market will go sell, and if anything happens, or if any other major news comes into the market, I will update as soon as possible. So I hope all things is clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.